Hey guys, we're here today with another product that's available through Sloan Express. It's the NDY Stalk Stompers, and the kit we have here today is actually for the John Deere 600 series heads. And what we're going to do is kind of show you a little bit of a video of installation, but as well as go through that a little bit more and also show you some of the parts that are available in the kits. Also to let you know, this is also available for other models of heads that are out there. And basically just the main purpose behind the Stalk Stomper is, just like it says, stomp the stalks. That way you don't have any excessive wear on your tires. We're going to go over some of the items you'll see when your kit arrives. First thing is the stomper itself. Some of the things that have changed on this is they used to put a larger spring on here along with a chain, and now they've actually put a torsion spring in here as well to basically help with the life of the Stalk Stomper itself. Then you have your brackets that are actually mounting up to the frame. Each one of them is color coded, and they will pertain to which row is actually on that head. So I want to make sure that we're paying attention to that color coordination. It's basically like it shows in their instructions, which rows they pertain to on whatever corn head you have. Then you have these two brackets. These all pertain to the model or the year of the head itself. So I want to be looking at that when you're looking at your rows as well. That bracket helps with a little bit of the offset, getting around certain things on the head itself. And also keep in mind that these are left-hand and right-hand stompers. Before you get ready to install everything, the best thing to do would be to lay these all out by the row, and also make sure when you do have them laid out, when you do get them, start to put them up, just try to center them a little bit on the head. That way they center up with the row, making it as easy as possible to get these installed and make sure that we are getting those stalks stomped the way we need them. To find the perfect set that matches your head, go to sloanex.com or call us at 800-934-9777.